Hi, this is Hasini. Getting to know more about the bond between a child and his or her father, I have Rohan Anna here. Hi, Rohan Anna. How are you doing?
Hi Asni, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much. Something about you. What are you doing now? Which grade are you in?
Yeah, I study in 11th grade this year. I'm in 11th grade this year. So I go to Sri Shankararaya and I play cricket professionally.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I do.
The dream or goal?
Yeah, I play
Okay,
cricket.
Dhoni, Virat Kohli. Who's
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli? Okay. But I'm a fan of. So I just have some questions. Don't answer it or don't think a lot. Just answer what comes to your mind. What is your favorite memory regarding your father?
Favorite memory? I would say when he actually first put me into cricket, I didn't really like cricket at the beginning. I was more into tennis. But then he forced me to go into cricket and then I ended up liking cricket. So then the first year of coaching would be my most memorable year.
What you'd like, so I think he should be happy hearing this as well as me. So move to the next. What is the one word that comes to your mind when you think about your dad?
He's such an humble being actually. So I think the word humble just comes to my mind.
So you were thinking a lot and then you found humble. What is something which is really great according to me? What is the funniest thing you have witnessed your dad do? Some crazy thing you have seen in your dad which you have liked most?
I like the way he gets along with my friends, He acts as if like he's in my age group and, he just hangs out with my friends.
And that is honestly.
I've heard a lot of this from my friends actually. I think,
What's it recorded? Your voice is breaking.
You were frozen for a minute, I think.
Okay, you can continue that actually. We can continue from the same. Also, you can continue from that previous question.
His voice was breaking. I wasn't able to.
Okay, no issues. You can continue from the previous question.
What is the funniest thing you have witnessed your dad do? Like a crazy thing you have seen in your dad and you liked it the most?
I think it should be the time when we went to this trip. So in the morning, I usually get up late in the morning. So basically everyone goes on breakfast. So I'll be the last one to go down to breakfast. And then, everyone is coming up and I didn't even know where everyone is. And he actually told the hotel, people who work there, saying that they already left the hotel and I ended up crying. That was like when I was 6 or 7.
Okay.
That is actually the most crazy.
Okay, that was so funny. If your dad's life story was a movie, what would be the title? Every dad has some issue in raising their kid. So if your dad has some, you can mind it. What is the title you would like to give to this movie? of his own life.
I think Sudhir Kumar, The Unexpected Story, just like MS Dhoni, The Untold Tale.
Okay. What message would you like to convey to your dad on Father's Day? If you have.
Yeah, I think I just want to tell him that I love him a lot, and he's been very supportive, through the years. He's always been there for me. So I love him for that.
For every child.
Yeah, the Father's Day time. Yeah.
Happy Father's Day. Okay. That's so cool. One Marvel character that best suits your dad.
I think that should be Star-Lord.
Starlord. Okay, I don't know who's Starlord, but can you just explain what his character and does his attitude suit your dad? Or whatever he has done suits you?
Yeah, so my dad is like very much into music and stuff.
Okay.
So, that actually relates to the character. And Star-Lord's also into music. He's cool, he's funny.
Okay.
So I find all these qualities with my dad. So, yeah.
So I hope you have those two objects and show them on screen.
Yeah.
Cricket ball.
This object, cricket ball, and this is me and this is my dad.
Okay, cricket ball represents you because you told that you love cricket, and why the book represents, why that book represents your dad?
Because, this is actually my favorite book till now. It's called Rich Dad Poor Dad. And, you go and search answers in the book, you get insights.
Yeah, I've seen this.
Every time you need to get clarity.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Well, this best represents him. That's why.
So it's just going to be simple. Are you having those two objects? And within a 20 or 30 seconds, I think it's just going to be simple. Within a 20 or 30 seconds, you'll be answering based on the question suits you or your dad. Are you confused?
Okay. Yeah. No, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay. Who spends more money? Okay. See, I have interviewed about 4 to 5 people, and most of the answer was me. Who's more likely to get into an argument? Okay. Being honest. Who's more likely to forget a birthday or an anniversary or any important day which comes?
No, I don't think both of us are very good with dates. So.
Very good in your memory. Who's the funny one? Dad. Okay. Who's the emotional one? Me. Okay. Whose love is unconditional? You have an option to raise. Yeah, I was even thinking about it. I was about to tell you that you have an option to raise both. And then when I was about to tell you raised. Who's the better cook? Me. You love cooking or do you?
Yeah.
Me too, I love cooking. Who's more likely to win at Monopoly or any other game which you lose? Me. Okay. Even in sport and even in this.
No, sports he'll win.
Who's the biggest sports enthusiast? Dad. dad. Okay. Who eats the most junk food? Okay. So I think that's going to be the end. If you have something to tell, particularly your dad, you have an opportunity. You can just write it down. If you wanted to say it.
No, I don't think so. Because I like my dad in general, and he does so many great things for so many people. So,
I also seen him, and he's been inspiration to a lot of people, and even I'm happy about that. So with that, bye. I'm Hasini.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Anshul. Bye.